Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This dog was very lucky that there were kind drivers around him. Good boy. There's a use for those lines that you have to wait behind, you know? So like drivers like the one here can actually get through.
Doesn't matter who I am. What matters is who you are. I'm just a guy passing through. I'm going to need more than that. And I'm going to need to know who's asking. The woman didn't reply. The waitress came by with his plate. Pancakes, eggs, and bacon. There was syrup on the table. The waitress refilled his cup.
This driver ran a red light at the perfect time.
UB40 opened up for them. You know, it's funny the things I remember. I can't remember my children's names, but I remember things like that. They don't get funny anymore here.
Turn right to go left.
Where are they going?
About Hakodate, but Reiji had no interest in nightscapes or night skies. Rather than walking alongside Nanako, Reiji was walking ahead of her. The cafe was located on the mountainside, and the walk back commanded a beautiful view of the city's lights. It could be quite the romantic walk for Hakodate, but Reiji had no interest in nightscapes or night skies. Rather than walking alongside Nanako, Reiji was walking ahead of her. The cafe was located on the mountainside.
No brakes needed, just stop the car yourself. This is either road rage or two seriously bad drivers, or maybe both. I myself might get into an accident here, looking at all those towers. That's beautiful. Imagine if he actually stopped there and waited, he would just block off all the other cars. Now that's some defensive driving. Good job. Luckily, the cat was not hit. Close call.
A few moments later.
I feel like this happens every other day. Finally, a bad driver that supposedly never misses his turn doesn't miss this ticket. What a camera angle. How do you think this crash happened? Do you think that the driver with the dash cam was partially at fault here? Why didn't they just stop? Check out the aftermath here. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.